Oh, hold on. We ain't even in yet. We ain't even in. There's no way that's in.
We're live. Are you kidding me? Can you hear me? Why do you always act like that? You're weird, man.
Well, because it takes a second for the thing to kick in. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
if you,
All right.
I know it says 1, 2, 3 go on our end, but really, like if you watch it on Facebook, it comes in like in the middle of a sentence somewhere. It doesn't
So
actually
we should
start
count
when.
to.
Yeah, so you should kind of like go silent for like about 10, 20 seconds, and
10, 20 seconds.
yeah, just kind of ease
No.
into it, and
No,
then
you cannot go live. You can't go silent for 20 seconds. Maybe like 1001, 1002. That's it, dude. I mean, there's a lot of times when I hear
it's really delayed.
it's Facebook that's delayed though. The YouTube stream starts right away. Like the podcast.
The YouTube one
starts.
does.
Yeah, Facebook. Like sometimes it's like it starts and we're just sitting there doing nothing, and then it starts. So, maybe we should just tell random jokes for like the first 5 seconds,
so that they could,
like
they
knock,
could
knock.
actually, it could come in the middle of a punchline, and it just sounds
Yeah.
really random then.
It'd be like knock knock who's there, and we could just do that knock knock who's there over and over again until
There's a hair on my microphone,
I
and
don't care.
I'm
I'm getting
betting
ready
you
to take
$20 it's not mine.
I'm getting ready to take a call on Cisco. It's getting ready to double cross. If it
Whoa,
does,
bro, keep the powder
Bro,
dry. Hold
powder
on.
dry. I'm going.
I'm not even got pocket option open yet. Hold
Well, you
on.
better hurry up. You're so late, dude. I've got a double cross on the MACD
On what now?
on Cisco. A double cross on the MACD on Cisco. I've got crossing alligators. I mean, if it matures,
Okay, well I'm in.
Cisco.
I see it's about to be a MACD cross. Let me.
Yeah. Well, just look at it for a minute. Tell me what you think, because it's gonna. If the MACD crosses in 30 seconds, I've got crossing on alligators right now. And
I've got my 1 minute alligators on, but you want me to turn those off?
I don't care.
You don't care
I mean,
what
if
I
this if this crosses, it doesn't look like it's going to though. It looks like it's actually going to retract. So.
do. Okay, well then we might as well get the show started. You want to officially start the show? Well, we can.
7 seconds. Hold on. Let's see if this is going to go up.
That was a weak opening.
It's kind of weak. Yeah, I'm going to wait. All right. So the show has started. I mean, we're going to be doing 12 trades tonight. I already.
Well, yeah, we're going to do 12 trades. What is our first trade?
First trade is 210. Then it's 480, 1080, 2430, 5470.
We're on our five deep plan. All right, we're going to get the show started, but first I'm going to have a bite of peanut butter.
Oh, really? Really? Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, so tell me while I'm looking at charts, I want you to tell me well, first of all, hold on. I'm going to look at 15-second charts tonight.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to find setups. And when I do, I'm flipping over to the 1 minute on my upper screen. And
okay, because you've kind of got this whole thing you've made up. And I need to know what my role here is, okay?
Okay, so I was going to tell you that. I'm going to be flipping through the 15-second charts, just looking for setups, and you're going to be just going through the 1 minute charts and just looking for. And if I say like check out Intel, check out this, you're going to check them out, and you're going to like, oh crap, yeah, you're going to, oh, check out Intel, yeah, oh crap, okay, check out Intel. It's about to double cross. It's at a white line. It already had 2 crosses down. That one looks a little bit.
It
like
already retracted from the white line.
Yeah, but it's about to double cross, and it could go through the white line. So if it does, I won on one earlier like this. It just went straight through. The white line is a little bit irrelevant here because it kind of went through it. Maybe it's going to go back down. I don't know. This is what your role is. You analyze the 1 minute chart. The double cross is probably not going to happen. See, look at that.
Yeah, I would say that this either isn't going to happen, or if it does, I mean.
Yeah, that's very weak. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what your role is. Your role is to be the candle whisperer in 1 minute charts, and you can use your alligators if you want. If you think that's going, I'm going to be looking for clear setups.
Yeah, that went way the other way.
Right, and dude, I'm telling you, it was crossed down real good, and it just flipped. Oh, wait a minute, flipped completely around. But Intel might actually be going up. It's getting ready to cross. See, I'm not going to chase.
Have we
these
given up
charts
on
tonight.
waterfalls entirely? Are
No,
we
no,
done
no.
candle serving? Because
I think that you should find candle surfing and possible coming MACD crosses and just alert me to them. Because if you want to do a candle surf, I'm totally into it. I mean, really. I mean, if we find a good thing, especially with this 1 minute alligator, we could find one. We could find them. You could find them. But I am just going to be looking through all of these charts just over and over again, trying to see these alligators flipping and trying to find. I'm basically trying to find double crosses like Alibaba. Alibaba is passing through right now like big time. And it's not a double cross or anything special. So it's nothing. So I mean, I'm
the
just gonna,
Alibaba looks like crap.
right. And I don't even care what the chart looks like. If the chart looks like it's going to double cross and I've got kind of confirmation on my alligators, I'm probably going to petition to take it if those two things are really, really strong. But what I was noticing today in some of my testing is I was winning a lot by getting into the chart. Okay, what's Cisco doing again? I don't want to chase because I was losing some by chasing the charts. Oh, Cisco's, yeah. I don't know if Cisco's going to the white line. I was winning a lot of those charts that we think that are going to the white line. So if you see anything double crossing in the MACD, or you think it's going to the white line, or you think it's a waterfall, just tell me, and I'll look at them.
You basically want me to just play this by ear and see what's going on?
I just want you to find MACD crosses.
Because you just named like every possible strategy that I know. I mean,
well, yeah, exactly. You can play it by ear with your strategy because when you say, hey, I think this is going to the white line, if I look at it and go, oh yeah, it's the I can.
so you're looking for one specific strategy. I'm looking for anything and everything.
Yeah, I am looking for 15-second candle crosses.
Okay, and when you find them, you tell me, and I'll go see what it's doing in the 1 minute.
Like McDonald's is getting ready to cross down on whatever it's getting ready to cross down. So you can just look at it, and see that's not really probably anything because it's crossing down, but now it's retracting. It's not going to the white line. The double cross is already over. So I mean that's probably nothing that I want to get into. I'm just going to go around and look for these startup setups because remember my indicators tend to be a little earlier than yours. So Netflix is crossing down right now. It's starting to cross down. It's been going all over the place. So it's only at 72% and it looks like it's probably going to go down from here. Netflix, I think we can't trade on it, but Netflix
Visa is also kind of at the white line, but it's check out Visa.
Okay.
It probably is already crossed because the 1 minute candles or 1 minute alligator is about to cross.
Yeah, okay. So you think Visa?
It's at a white line right now, but I've got my.
This might be a waterfall, dude.
Could be.
Yeah,
the MACD is already long crossed. I've already got my. What's going to really determine this is whether or not it goes through the white line. So.
Yeah, and the waterfall looks like it's possible. So if we get like a 1 minute waterfall, we can take that.
It's kind of going up now.
Yeah, it's actually getting ready to cross up. But that doesn't mean it won't retract and go back down. It's flattening and we can watch it. But I think we should just do this. I think we should just be honest and open with each other. Talk about our feelings.
Yeah.
Boeing and Company is possibly going down. It's crossed the first line. And it's getting ready to MACD cross too. So look at Boeing and Company. It's kind of been up there for a while, kind of consolidating.
The 1 minute alligators are not crossed yet.
Yeah, they're way up there.
But
Boeing is a possibility. I mean, a lot of these can just become duds too. But the MACD looks like it's going to cross. It's an overbought.
You got the first trade set for 210?
Yeah. The MACD's overbought, dude, and it's actually in a pretty good spot.
Yeah.
Same
with
stochastic. This one could become something. And when it does, who knows? Maybe we can win several on the way down. Maybe we win the first one on the MACD cross, and then maybe the alligators cross, and maybe we keep going. Maybe it becomes a waterfall, and we just win 12 trades. I'm okay with that. But getting into a trade, I don't think we're going to lose a lot of trades tonight because I think we're only going to take That's my one fear about having to win 12 trades. I feel like 12 trades is an awful lot of trades to win.
Yeah.
But like we won 6 the other night, and somehow we're actually up a level. We're actually up. We're starting a new level tonight. We're starting on level. So tonight we are starting on level 5, and we are at 642.
Okay, so for those who might be following us, there's only a few people social trading with us, but that we don't know personally. But we did the math today, and so we had, like I said, we redivided this. For those who don't know, we kind of redivided our bank account, or our trading account, I should say, and into like fours, so that we had basically one amount that we're trading off of, and then 3 fortification levels or backups, so to speak. And we ended up blowing one out the other day, but that didn't set us back. We're still moving ahead because we had reserves. So we're still progressing in our levels on our chart. And so what we figured out today was that if we stick to this and we don't have another bad night for a while, then in 15 days, I think it is, then that guy that we lost is totally back. Is that right?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Oh, dude, look at Pfizer. Pfizer might be a waterfall.
Yeah.
It already
broke
kind of
through.
crossed through. It broke through. It's all kind of wide open. Look at that and tell me, do you think the next candle is going to be red, or is it just too big? I mean, my 15-second alligators are wide open.
Well, the 1 minute alligators have crossed for sure.
Yeah, it's just a matter of
It was a massive fall. It's past all kinds of.
I guess just look at that candle. It's kind of retracting now, but do you think it's gonna like open up and go down, or do we need another candle or so to confirm it?
I think it's kind of done.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
I mean, it's going back now, massively going back.
Yeah, it's kind of that wicked out pretty hard, and there's a pretty big line of resistance right there too. I mean, it hit that level right there.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, I don't want to chase indicators, but it looks like my 15 seconds they could head back up and like cross, and this could be going up. Will we get a MACD cross out of it? Maybe.
Are you talking about Pfizer still?
Yeah. Will it go to the white line from here? And I don't really want to chase trades like this because this setup kind of already like went down. But now it's crossing my first red line, and it's heading towards that white line. It'll probably either bounce off that or.
But if it's going up that quick, after only going down like 2 candles,
Yeah,
that's a lot of volatility, and it could turn around just as fast the other way.
right. So because the MACD is not going to turn around quick enough. Just watch this because it's okay. It's breaking the second red line almost right now, but it's at that white line. So if it goes, I don't think this is a good trade. I was kind of losing.
Why don't you look at Amazon real quick? What is Amazon doing?
I want to come back to Pfizer because Amazon. Where's Amazon? Amazon's just getting ready to turn around. It looks like getting ready to go back down soon, right?
Say what?
It's getting ready. It's getting ready.
I'm trying to fix something on my computer screen.
Amazon is going up. Obviously, I don't know that it's going up real high. It's not. It's not like waterfalling. It's not broken out of anything. It's got some resistance up there. It could turn around. I mean, Amazon could turn around. It's overbought in the stochastic.
I'm sorry, were you saying something? Just kidding.
Apple.
Okay, I don't know what. I don't know. It looks like it's going to go down from here, but it's kind of dropping now. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it might.
But here again, I mean, it's been kind of going up and down, so it wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if it's going down, but we're not going to get a MACD cross on it. Look for some MACD crosses. Oh, Cisco. Yeah, dude, look at Cisco. Cisco's kind of buried. I don't know. The MACD going to cross down on that? Probably not.
No, I'm not seeing no mac and cheese cross here.
I don't.
It looks kind of like a whale, if that makes
Yeah,
sense, or like a dolphin.
probably going back
The
up.
top line is curved, but it's kind of straight at
Oh,
the
Facebook is
front.
heading straight down with straight down through
What is?
the Facebook. Okay, Facebook is Facebook going to the white line. One more candle after this. It looks like a
I
well.
don't know. There is a lot of wicks on this.
I'm not really worried about that.
Well, yeah, but it's retracting and then pushing down, and
Yeah,
then
let's see. Well, watch the MACD right now.
the MACD is nowhere near crossing.
Yeah, this is acting a little crazy.
Yeah, I would not trust this, dude.
Okay. We kind of missed it.
Okay, well, okay. Intel. Well, okay. Now Intel's no. Don't do nothing on Intel. Never mind. I was looking at my alligators, the 1 minute alligator,
You
but
should probably turn those off and just look at your regular stuff. I mean,
well, they tell me some things though.
okay.
Just like the
Pfizer.
ones
Okay,
that
Pfizer's about ready to double cross. What's Pfizer doing over here? Pfizer's about ready to double cross on your charts. It's just gonna.
it's really wackadoo. It's about to MACD cross too, but this candle is abnormally large,
Yeah, it kind of jumped up.
and the
there.
chart is not a good moving chart. It's like got a bunch of candles that just go haywire, and then
Yeah, they like wick out real hard.
there's no consistency to it.
Okay, but I think what we really what well I mean I think
Amazon is kind of slowly moving up, but
is it? If we found a slow moving chart like Amazon has just opened up. Yeah, on my side. What's it look like here? Oh yeah, well it's kind of at some support there, a resistance. Could it break out of there? What's the? Yeah, I mean it's heading up. But I
okay,
think
we
it's-
only won like 7 trades the other day, right?
yeah, but somehow like financially we really cleared a level. So
I don't know how we did that.
I don't know either.
Um,
Okay, Visa. Look at Visa. Visa's kind of going down.
Visa is consolidating.
Right, it's consolidating right here, but it's trying to get under that white line, and it might. And if it does, it could be because it went up for a long time, then it went down, and then it's consolidating. But it just crossed over.
Yeah, if it
just
goes
had
below that, it could go down for a little bit.
It just had some momentum because it just crossed the
But there is a line, like some of the wicks back behind it.
yeah, it's on a line right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
This could be a breakout though. Look how far it could fall if it does. And look at the alligators. They're kind of tight. So I mean, I'm just waiting to see if it's going down. It's got momentum on the.
But there's wicks back there in the 1 minute that
Yeah.
that show a level that it hasn't broken, and until it goes below that area, I would
Talking about like 10 candles back in the 1 minute.
yes.
Yeah.
There's
Like-
still wicks that have been further than this candle. So
Yeah, like it's been trying to get down there, but it hasn't.
yeah.
Yeah, it could go back up from here because now it's going back up. So, let's see here. Apple is Apple just going down? Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard to make these line up. I mean, sometimes they line up, dude. I mean,
Holy smokes, dude! Brent oil. We missed a big old like mother load on Brent load. On Brent oil. Sorry,
yeah.
a mother load on Brent oil. That's
Oh,
what
man,
I'm trying
yeah.
to say.
It might not be over yet either, dude.
Put it in 1 minute. I want you to see.
I got it. I'm looking at them in both, every one of them.
Okay. All right. Gotcha.
I mean, yeah, it's
Yeah, I don't know if that's over or not, but man,
watch it. I'm gonna watch it and tell you what I think.
where's a level?
I don't see one. It's way under everything. Let me see if I can find something. Yeah, I mean it's way low. which I don't know what that means.
It's been going on so long, it's due to turn around at any point. But let me see if I can find something else like it.
That started with a. It started with just a basic, you know. It started with just a basic crossover, and it just never stopped.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. I might look at some currencies because, well, there's only about 5 of them.
Yeah, I was headed there next to look at those. But
5 currencies. Oh wow.
silver looks like crap.
Yeah, I don't know. MACD. Oh wow. Crap. There's not a lot tonight that's looking.
Why would someone take a trade on something that's got a 45% payout?
I don't know.
I mean, they're not really any easier to win.
Yeah, I don't know. I got to be diligent looking for the double cross. Oh, Apple looks like it might double cross to the downside. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell. That's not really strong enough. Though, yeah, that means it's not going to, I bet. Apple's been going down for a while. Apple, the 1 minute's just crossed an Apple. Do you think Apple's going to just go down?
I think, well, it could go down because it's below the white line in the 1 minute. The MACD hasn't crossed. The alligators have crossed over.
Yeah, my alligators are underneath. I mean, they've been crossed over for a while. You think I got one more candle on this one?
It's very possible, but I mean,
There's a line. That line it's getting ready to hit is really strong.
yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
This low line, it's really strong. But maybe because the 1 minutes did what they
Seeing
did.
now the MACD is starting to look like a dolphin again.
Yeah, like it's
Like the nose of it is kind of flattening out.
Yeah, I need to find a breakout. Okay, look at Boeing and tell me if you think that it's. I mean that's like almost setting up for a breakout. I mean maybe in 5 minutes. Yeah, my
Well, it's consolidating, so it's going to go somewhere. I mean, is it? It's been going
yeah,
up, so
it looks like your little indicators look like they're getting ready to turn around.
yeah.
It's out of overbought. I mean, but it's not going down quick enough, really, is it?
I don't think so. I mean, if you want to take a 20-minute put from here, you know.
Intel, okay, Intel has actually look at Intel. Intel, you've got all the crosses. You've got a line of resistance that it passed through, a line of support that it passed through already.
These are decent sized candles here, and this one's kind of retracting now.
Yeah, this could be a waterfall though. This could end up just going down from here. These are good, decent candles, but and this chart's been kind of mountainy. But like from here, I don't know what it's going to do. It's kind of consolidating right now in the 15-second.
Yeah, and it's kind of at a. I don't know. It's kind of bouncing around at the same spot in the 1 minute. Hasn't really.
Right. It's getting ready to.
It hasn't really broke below the last red candle.
No.
And this candle's going to end green.
Sometimes when it goes underneath a support like that, it just kind of turns around and goes right back up through it. Oh.
Exactly.
Johnson & Johnson could be going down for a while.
Okay. Intel could. Okay, now it's going down.
Yeah. You think there's another candle after this?
There was the random green, and now it's going down, so it's possible.
I don't know. Look at the stochastic. It's kind of, well, I guess it could have been from,
Well, the
like,
stochastic is it's an oversold, but it's
is it going to open up and just go down? We could take a put on this. I mean, I don't know.
you think there's
It's a-
one more in it, or
It's
you
a
think it's gonna?
waterfall. I don't know. Maybe we could take it. You want to take it?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's kind of like unknown at this point.
It is. I mean, it's kind of unknown, but it looks like
But it's
it.
a waterfall, and all your indicators are going down right now.
Everything says it's going down. Everything about it looks like it's going down. So
Some big old fat red candles right there. Is this gonna waterfall? Is this a present? Is this a gift from us to us?
I hope.
I don't know where the next level really is. Come on, baby.
Come on, if this will just drop a little bit and go below there, then we'd be okay. But something tells me, that we're going to lose the very first trade.
Yeah. There it goes. It wants to go down.
Dang it. Dang it.
480. 480's in the thing. Do you want to? Is it going down from here? Was that?
I don't know. It's really hard to say. That was a lot of up pressure.
Okay. Yeah, I think we need to slow down. Like, that's okay. I think that was a good trade, but I think we probably should just take a breath, get back on track, look for some. Yeah, it looks like some up pressure. I don't see anything that's like. I'm gonna go look for. I'm in 1 minute. So I'm gonna go look for any chart that has both indicators are both they're both oversold or overbought. I don't see that tonight right now. Do you?
Not seeing a lot of good stuff, but
Okay. Well, I just want to look for that. That's what I'm gonna look for right now. If I can find any one of these charts that are
what did we just lose on?
Intel.
That's what I
Twitter
thought.
doing? Twitter's probably already way past. So Twitter's kind of fallen too, dude. Twitter's kind of,
Yeah.
but it's kind of sticking at a. Yeah, I don't trust it, but it kind of was. Okay, Netflix. They're both kind of overbought. But it looks like they're going back up in
It's
the
going
15
up.
seconds. Okay. Oh, Amazon, dude, is just tanking up. Okay, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil's kind of overbought. It's going up too, though. But I bet we should watch that because, look, it's been overbought for a long time.
Yeah.
And it might want to go back down to the red line like it did last hump down. I'm going to watch the 15 seconds on ExxonMobil. Remember I'm going to write I'm going to remember Exxon because I always just forget what charts we're working on.
Right.
ExxonMobil just looks like it might actually turn around. So.
Okay, look at NZD USD right now.
NZD USD. Looks like it might be going down on my charts.
Conga man. Good call on Intel. I jumped in just after you mentioned it and won. We lost it, but we took a 1 minute, so
yeah, it did go down.
It did go down though. Yeah.
We were just a little.
We just lost it on that minute. Not a big deal.
In NZD USD looks like it's
I want to see if you think it might be
going down.
be headed down. Yeah,
I think probably soon. It's not. It's kind of
it
farting
was
around.
headed down a little bit quicker than this, but it looks like it's turned around a bit.
It's just kind of waiting. So I'm gonna look at that one and I'm gonna look at Exxon again real quick.
But what kind of a line is it at?
What kind of a line is it at? The green line is crossed through one, and now it's crossing through another one.
No, I'm talking in 1 minute. A way to analyze this in 1 minute.
Oh, okay. It's at a big line right now, going down. I mean, you can see where it's at right there.
Okay, so you think it's about to drop from here, or what do you think it's going to do?
Yeah, I think it's gonna drop soon. It might not drop like awesomely, but the green line is cricked through one alligator, and now it's just going bouncing back and forth in the middle, but it's kind of going sideways in the alligator. But the green line is crossed through one. Like if the MACD could turn and
Like
start
I have a
going.
feeling this could go down with some strength here in a
Right,
minute.
right, right. Yeah, you keep watching that one.
I mean, like if I was real confident, I would say take like a 4 minute put right here. But I don't know that I'm that confident.
No, that's crazy.
Did you just call me crazy?
Yeah, right.
Well,
I mean, once you start getting the feel for it, I mean, right now it's at a
well,
massive
because
line.
it
And it's
could
kinda
go
bouncing
back
off
up,
that
but
line. Right, it's bouncing off that line, and it's pointing straight up. So, I mean, I think it wants to go down, and if it does, then we'll be able to see it when it starts to go down. Right now, it's just going straight. I mean, it could be anybody's game right now. Euro RUB might actually. Let me check that one out. Oh, Euro RUB. It could be double crossing down on the. Yeah, it's already crossed through the 15-second candle.
the 1 minute alligators are crossing through, but the MACD is not there yet, and
It's not
it
really
just
overbought.
retracted up. So I don't know if it's gonna.
Yeah, it already the alligators crossed like, a minute ago. My alligators.
Yours did, yeah.
Yeah, they're too late, so they're not really together. But they're underneath and they're pointing down. If the MACD could ever cross, I mean, it's got a line of resistance down there, but I don't know if it's going to it. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to it or not. It might.
Yeah, it's kind of.
The blue line's got a good momentum. If the MACD could ever get going, but it's fighting itself. It's fighting.
It's kind of a red doji, that last candle, but which tells me it could go either way. It's hard to say.
I don't know. I mean, it's coming out of. It could go down. Does it have force to go down?
It's got some force. If we had taken a 1 minute put, we'd be winning. But
But like now the
It's hard to
MACD
say.
is a MACD going to cross, and can I put this? It looks like it.
yeah, but it's at a line. There's a lot of force now in this. There's a big candle, which means it's probably going to let off some steam in the next candle, and
It's at a massive line.
it pushed down to a massive line. So
Your 1 minute's just crossed.
yeah, they did.
That was not a MACD cross. Okay, so that was.
No,
That was
it'll
very
probably
weak.
cross during this candle if it's going to cross at all. But this candle could go up. I think it's kind of weak.
Yeah, it is. It's weak. ExxonMobil is still. Yeah, I don't know about ExxonMobil. It's still going sideways. But it's overbought, so I'm going to keep watching it. It's going to have to go down someday. Boeing Company. Huh. Boeing might actually be waterfalling, bro.
You think so?
Well, it's been trying to get down there. Now it's starting to. It's below its.
Okay. It's like right at the white line, the moving. Or no, it's crossed through that already.
Yeah.
And the 1 minute alligator is about to cross over.
Right.
There is no MACD associated with this because it's already open. But
Yeah, I don't know if
That was a pretty strong candle that crossed through, so it's hard to say if it's
look
just
at all
gonna.
those little dojis, like 8 dojis in there. If yeah, I don't know. This one's probably not. I was hoping it would just start falling.
Yeah,
It's
but it didn't do that. It's kind of going. There's a lot of sideways crap tonight.
yeah, there's a lot of sideways motion in that chart. But I think if we just keep scouring these, we'll find a breakout
Somewhere.
somewhere someday. Before I go. Oh, I didn't even start my timer tonight.
No, we don't need one.
Yeah, we did because I gotta go to bed. Didn't you work like all day?
I worked all dang day. Yeah, go to ExxonMobil.
Finally
This
doing
is
it?
a potential breakout here.
Is it doing it? We've been watching that one.
Well, I mean, look at it in 1 minute, real quick.
Okay. Yeah, it
That's
crossed
not-
over.
Look at it in 1.
Yeah, I'm watching it. It crossed over in mine, and you think it's going to the white line? Oh well, the MACD crossed way back here.
Yeah,
Think it's going to the white line on this next candle?
it's already kind of at it.
Yeah, it could totally retract because that's what it's been doing.
Yeah, it's kind of already there. I mean, it's pretty close.
Right, it's already there. I'd say it's already there. But if it goes through it, if
If it goes through it, then that's a different story.
if
But
these green lines keep going, then we're good. We might be good to get on that one. So what's the trade? $100?
what?
That's what I feel like doing. I feel like this. sitting
Take
all night
the
making
yeah, I
one-
know that's the problem with
$100
you.
trade.
You could take the fake on it. It goes through, and then you call it, and then it retracts, and
Like right here?
then that would be the one time that it doesn't, and it just waterfalls.
Right, because this might waterfall, dude.
It
I
could.
think it's going to because it flattened out. See, it kind of like rose up, then just flattened out up there like for a while. And I've been waiting for this one to turn. So, I mean, I've been waiting for this one. I think we could probably take the next candle. I mean, it's at the white, it's like on the white line. But if this goes through here and goes through another, like we just have to feel it now. We've got these candles that,
I ain't feeling it yet. Not right on this line.
yeah, I'm not feeling it yet either on the line either. But I think we
When it goes through and these 1 minute alligators cross, then maybe.
I should have been watching the alligators because it crossed at like 4:45.
Yeah. Do you have the 1 minute alligator set up?
Yeah, I do. I'm looking at it right now.
Because it's about to cross.
If my alligators crossed at 4:45, we could have taken this down to the white line. We should have. If I was paying attention, we could have. You think this is actually gonna go?
Well, if it does, you could take the next candle if you're confident in it. But I don't know, dude. I don't know
It's
that
got
it's
green pressure. My 15-second candle is sort of fighting with it, but then again, it's winning. Okay, now I think it's going.
all right. Just take it. But you're late, way late. Dang.
No, I'm not that late. I mean,
Well, you got a little bit higher than I wanted, but
well, it kind of dipped down, and then it came back. Come on, baby. Come on. Well, I was kind of early when you compare it to the actual green line. We didn't get a full double cross on the 1 minute alligators, but holy crap. Dang it. My candles are all over the freaking place. They're all like up there now. They look
yeah,
fine.
this doesn't look good, dude.
20 seconds, 78%. 480,
And it's a 78% payout.
1080.
And it's loss number 2.
Hey, I thought we weren't losing any tonight, dude.
Well, I mean, you can't.
All right.
What's the next trade?
Well, ExxonMobil is a 1080. I gotta get off that chart. All right. Well, maybe we're just forcing these because honestly, dude, I'm that's just that wasn't a MACD cross. That was just a Like when I was teaching this class, I was doing a little teaching thing earlier.
Teaching this class.
Yeah,
I've noticed. Yeah. Anybody ever noticed that he does these without me?
Yeah, when I was doing that class, dude, I found 2 of them right away that were just heading straight to the white line, and I just took them and won them, and it was like so easy. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my own advice from the little webinar I did today.
MACD cross on Intel right now.
All right, well I'm into MACD crosses, dude. I mean,
But it's at a line. There's no way to enter this, dude. Do not enter that. And it's retraction.
What do you mean it's at a line?
Okay, I'm finding a real problem with you. I don't know. I'm seeing a big disconnect now with these, with you in 15 second and me in 1 minute.
No, I'm in 1 minute. I got a 1 minute session open. So I'm
all right.
looking
Look at American Express, dude. This is
I'm looking at it in 1 minute first. Actually.
Look at American Express.
Okay.
This is cranking up. Is there a lineup that? Yeah, it's out of line. Yeah, never mind.
But that's not. There's no MACD. Well, I mean, there is a MACD cross there, kind of.
It's also at a line. I was looking for like
It also already crossed, like my alligators crossed a long time ago.
Yeah.
So, all right. So I'm going to look for my little MACD crosses, or you know what I might look for is. What I might look for is stuff that's going to the
What's
white line.
Facebook doing? What is Facebook doing? That's one that is.
Okay, it might be going up. It's 15-second crossing right now. On the upside. Okay, yeah. It's possible that that's heading up. It's crossed over one red line in the 15 seconds.
You got the next trade set?
Yeah, it's 1080. All right, it's crossed over one. It's oversold like massively, and it's probably going to go to the white line. That's actually a pretty good idea. Let's just watch it, see if it can go to the white line. It's either going to it or it isn't.
Well, gee, that's a good observation.
I'm not disconnected from your 1 minute though. I'm actually looking right at it. It's trying to cross through. Now cross through the first red line on the 15 second. It's getting ready to go up. Should I take, you think it's going up on this next candle?
I don't know. You think it is?
Well, it just crossed over the red line. I mean, it just crossed, and I think it's going to the white line. We can wait though.
If it dips down, then if you think it's going to go, the MACD is about to cross.
We need to watch the MACD cross.
The MACD has not crossed
yet. Let's focus. Yeah, if this MACD crosses,
and this candle is pulling down. Okay.
Yeah. Remember.
I don't want to jump the gun here. The MACD is now kind of.
That's why I didn't take it. I'm not taking any trade for the rest of the session except on the front of the candle. So we got 30 seconds to. Don't worry, I'm not going to enter in. I'm going to talk to you about it because.
Okay. Well, if you enter in, be sure it's on a 1 minute, not just in the middle of a.
That's what I'm saying. I'm looking at the 1 minute candle for my entry point, and I've got 20 seconds. I don't know. It's got a lot of down pressure. It doesn't look like the MACD is going to cross. I don't think it's going to.
No, actually. This is a dud, dude. This is not good.
That's okay. But it could have. And we
could have. Yeah.
Let's focus on entering on the 1 minute entries with the 1 minute candles. Let's focus on MACD crosses. That's all we're focused on. Or waterfalls. That's really back to like last week. We were killing it. Like Apple right now, dude. Apple is
jank wank-a-dank, dude.
Well, I mean, it's heading.
Look at it in a 1 minute chart.
I am looking at it in a 1 minute, dude.
It looks terrible.
I found it in a 1 minute chart. I think it's going down. Then I looked at my 15 and I thought, nah. I think it's going down because it's about to cross, and it wants to go down to that next level. You know, I mean, if this MACD crosses, I could take it.
What are you on now? I'm looking at other charts. So
I looked at Apple. You just dismissed
I took
Apple.
one look at that, and dude, I dismissed that right away. Look at that. It's not. It doesn't look like it's going past that. Even if it does go down, there's a big line right down there. I don't know what you're thinking, but dude, look.
I was thinking if that MACD crossed, it's probably going to that line. That's all I thought. It's just going to that line. If the MACD, that's all I was thinking. Look at it. I would have been right, it looks like.
Okay, so you're talking about this.
Talking about this red candle that I'm already in. That's the one I would have taken. Well, the MACD just crossed, and now look, it's going down because.
But the MACD didn't cross till it was halfway
Right,
down.
right. That's why we didn't take. That's why I
And
didn't
if you took
push
it now,
it'd be too late.
yeah, much too late.
But I still looked at that, and I still think it's it's probably going to win. I mean, just because.
Okay, look at McDonald's. McDonald's is near a MACD cross.
On the upside?
Well, no, it was crossing down, but now it's kind of shooting back up. So
That's because the alligator's just crossed on the up. So, I mean, if anything, this thing's going up. Or sideways. Yeah, that was a fake MACD cross.
yeah,
All right, dude. I don't know how we're going to get 12 wins.
look at ExxonMobil, another either MACD cross or a fake one.
Okay, let me look at it.
But it's at a line. I mean, dude, it's like just stepped up and it's already at a friggin' line.
It's going to be a fake one. Yeah, probably. Well, because the MACD's kind of in the middle. I mean, it's not.
It's not coming out of overbought or
Right,
oversold.
it's not really making a move. It's definitely. If anything, that thing's going down. I mean, it's. Yeah. Okay, so we should just put $100 on there, or what we should do is we should just
Wait,
make the
what did you just say?
What we should do is we should figure out.
What
Okay,
did
we
you
need
just
to make.
say? I thought I heard $100.
Here's what I'm thinking. 663 is what we need to be to. We're at 642, so we actually need a $21 trade to get to the next level. We need a $21 win. Okay.
Okay, well, we haven't been able to get a $2 win yet.
25 times 0.8. All we need to do is make one trade, one $25 trade, but it's got to be a winner.
Dude, okay, I'm sticking to our system.
I'm telling you, it would work because, dude, there ain't no way we're gonna make.
Do
12
it.
wins
Congress says do it.
That's what I'm saying, dude. We make one. I'm talking about one killer, like we both agree, $25 trade.
Yeah,
We're
we've
done.
had those that turn around on us. That happens. It happens.
Well, that's called life, bro. That's just life.
Okay. Yeah, it still leaves us screwed. I mean, if
oh, what is this? I'm looking at. Look at Exxon. Is Exxon going down now? Did it finally cross or something?
no, it's just kind of no.
It's kind of fakey.
Yeah, it's just a weird looking.
I
chart.
found some trades today that I would have easily made $100 trade on. They were just so textbook, dude.
I've seen some like that. Yes, I have.
That's what I'm saying. We just sit around, talk, wait for that. Be like, it's textbook. It's freaking crossing here. It's crossing there. It's going up. It's going to the line. And yeah, it could turn around on you. That's fine. But we could actually clear a line.
Look at Cisco. Is this gonna MACD cross?
On the upside, it might. Yeah.
I mean, it keeps it's like dojing out here.
Yeah, it's like this one. It's like this wouldn't be like my $25 bet. I mean, we still got to win. We got to win this. We got to win this martingale trade here first.
Yeah.
So we're on third trade. This one looks like I don't think it's going to cross yet, and now it looks like it's weak. It's in a downtrend, pretty good downtrend. Man, I don't think it is. I guess it could. I mean, there's a possibility it crosses and heads towards the white line. What is that probability that you think it's going down? It's going up, going down.
Slim to none.
You don't think it's going to cross and go to the white line?
I don't know. Not even looking at it anymore. What chart are you talking about? I've
You ain't
moved
got
on.
you ain't got no patience tonight, bro.
I know. I'm
You're
looking
just, like,
at all
hitting
these
them and
charts.
moving them. I'm looking at them, trying to figure out what it's going to do.
Well, yeah. I mean, but meanwhile, while you're looking at it, I'm just looking at other
Okay,
stuff.
So
in case
no, it's not going to do. Well, I don't know. It's kind of sideways right
See,
now.
I'm finding just a lot of really weird crap, like a lot of wackadoo charts.
I freaking agree with you. Oh, Facebook is going to double cross on the upside right now. Dude, look at Facebook. Okay, Facebook is already crossed. Okay, Facebook's in a good position, dude. Oh crap, it just double crossed. Should I take it? It's
I
going
don't
to the
know
white
because,
line.
dude, it's not going to go much higher than that line back there. Look, it went up 2 steps a little while back and then stepped down. Do you see it in the 1 minute?
Yeah, I'm looking at it in the 1 minute. Dude, trust me. I'm looking at it in the 1 minute. Quit asking me. Quit asking me if I'm seeing it in the
I
1
mean,
minute.
that's what I'm saying.
I'm
I
looking
don't.
right at it in 1 minute.
That's what I mean by these weird charts. This is one of them right here. They're just not like it's going up. But look at it. Look at it now. It's just
Yeah, I know. It double crossed and it's not quite winning yet.
not even close. I mean, it just
Well, it's close to winning. Like right now, it's winning.
not on my end. It ain't.
On the 1 minute, it is. Yeah, if I would have taken it right there, it's green. This is a green candle, dude.
Okay, yeah. If you had
It's
taken
winning.
it at the very
If I-
end of the other one, yes.
No, it would have lost.
I told you.
Dang. Well,
But-
okay, look at it and tell me that it doesn't have the desire to head that white line, because I think it does. I think depends on how I look
Well,
at it.
then it's suffering from a bad case of ED because it just went down, bro. I mean,
Yeah, it's kind of straight on mine too. It's flat. It's not.
dude, look at it. It just it was trying to go up and then just like, nope. So no, I mean, I don't know, but all these charts, I'm seeing the same thing on a lot of them.
Okay, but it is okay. Yeah, that one.
If I could find a nice waterfall somewhere, we could just jump in. But here lately, I'm not finding anything.
Okay, is Cisco going to the white line? Look at Cisco. Cisco actually might be. No, Cisco's got a little, getting a little down too. Cisco double crossed, and Cisco is wanting to go up. I think kind of, but I'm not sure it's going to. But it
No,
might.
it's probably going to be another thing. Because look, dude, you see that consolidation line just a few
Right
candles
there.
back?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
The red, green, red. I
Yeah.
mean,
Uh-huh.
it's having a hard time breaking that. And that's what I'm seeing in a lot of these charts. When an area like that forms, like everything in front of it doesn't seem to go outside of that much.
Wow. Yeah, because that was a clear double cross. Okay, that would have won if we would have taken it right at the top of that that big green candle. But I'm not sure it's got enough juice to go the white line. Well, this one kind of does want to. It's still all right. So I'm gonna keep going.
Okay, look at Intel. Intel looks like it might have broken the white line. Maybe.
Oh yeah, that one looks nice on that side. You say maybe like it's.
Because I'm not sure. I don't know. It could step up now, or it could just.
Well, my red line crossed a long time ago, and it's been crossed. It's been going up. Oh, your white line, your 1 minute alligator's just crossed.
Yeah.
You want
You
it?
could take a call from down here.
$33 seconds. Come on, baby. Your
So
white
if this
alligator-
ends above that line, then we might have this. So
your white alligator's just crossed, and look at them. Look at your white alligators.
yeah,
white,
they
look at
just
your-
crossed. So hoping that we can get this candle to end green, and then we
And then
can
we
get
do our $25 trade, dude. That would be perfect.
bro.
What? I'm just messing with you. This is tight. This is real tight. But my
Yeah.
indicators are all up.
Everything's up. If this just would go up a little bit, then we'll have this. That's all it's got to do is go up a little bit. Come on. Don't do this crap to me. No, come on. Pull up, pull up. Go green, go green, go green. Go green, go green, go green. Come on, don't do this crap. Oh, come on.
There. Oh,
Dang it.
that almost won.
Almost don't help us.
Dang it. 24.30. Okay. Oh, look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it now, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Okay, what's the next trade?
24.30.
Well, here's your $25 trade that you're talking about.
That's my $25.
See, I mean, this kind of bull crap, dude. What?
What is this, a fourth? Is this a fourth trade?
Yeah, it is.
All right. Well, I'm not taking this trade. I quit. Unless I see the most amazing setup, because like, well, that is
bro,
going up now.
I agree with you. I mean, unless we can find it, but that was a good one. I mean, that was good.
Well, and it's going up, dude. That just lost by volatility. I mean, that really was just kind of crap was it? I think I'm just gonna look at these 1 minute charts for a little bit. That one looks.
You're
that
gonna
looks
do what?
nice. I'm just gonna look at 1 minute charts with you. Just try to find.
Yeah, I think you should, because
I'll look at my 15 just to see, but that was like a real that was like a robbery, dude. Because look, it is green, and I actually I think we could probably win this next trade. I don't know.
what about Exxon Mobil? Look at that one. Is that one going down, or is it? It could waterfall. It's way up high, and but I don't know. I mean, it's turning around a lot, so I wouldn't get in on it.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. Unless this is crossing. It looks like it's going back up. Is this Exxon still just farting around up there trying to go down? Yeah, Exxon's in a weird spot.
Yes, Garrett Miller. We're looking at it in 1 minute, but we've looked at it in a couple different.
Well, if he's looking at my screen, it's going to be in 15 seconds.
Oh, yeah. On that screen, yes.
Should I flip it
right.
around so they can see it in 1 minute?
Yeah.
Flip it around. Okay, there you go. There, it's flipped around. So now you're seeing 1 minute. I've got multiple. Yeah, dude, I don't know. This is just crazy.
By the way, hopefully, for those watching by YouTube or any kind of social media platform, just a word of caution: do not take trades that we're taking, because you're probably a minute ahead of us. By the time you're seeing this, you're probably seeing some latency. So don't take trades that we're taking.
Look at Intel, dude.
I mean, you can
Intel's,
go to charts we're going to,
look
but
at Intel right now and tell me if you think it's just.
yeah, till it doesn't.
Yeah, right. That's what I mean. So it's going pretty good. Oh, what is that doing?
This is how we lost our fifth one the other day.
Right, exactly. Yeah, we did. oh, dude, look at Pfizer. Pfizer's actually might be going back up right now. Oh, it's at
64, bro.
Dang, sucker. Yes, sucker. But look at that. That's a good move. That's a good, like, it's above the white line and it's kind of crossing and it's going.
I'm just seeing a lot of consolidation right now.
Mm-hmm.
Look at FedEx, dude. It's like nothing but consolidation.
Yeah.
I mean, is Amazon? Well, that's at a strong line right now. I was going to say we could take like a 3 or 4 minute put on this, but I don't know.
Yeah. Why do we miss that?
Well, it's not because it isn't falling consistently.
I mean, that's the problem with this. I wonder why we missed the big giant. I guess it just ran. It just kind of went through and just kept going. It didn't ever really like just kill it. Twitter.
Johnson & Johnson, dude. It's a big waterfall. Big waterfall.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I think you should take like a 2 minute down on this one from like up here, but I don't know. But I mean, don't do it yet. But
Okay, you
is
tell me
it
when.
any kind of a line of support or anything down there?
No, it's just going down. It's passing through some areas right now. Kind of underneath that, kind of in the middle of that. Not anything major. If I took anything on this, I'd wait for it to retract a bit and then take a 2 minute.
But then, if it throws 2 green candles, it would lose.
Yeah.
So it's hard to say.
I mean, it's ballsy, but I think you're right. I mean, this is a slow moving down chart. I don't see much.
It's been going down a while though. It could turn around.
I don't see much problem in it,
Mm-hmm. Other than if it turns around.
1, 2, 3, 4. Enter 3 in a green. It's been throwing a green candle every 3 or 4 candles.
Right.
So what do you want, like a 3-minute put on this thing?
No, I don't want anything on it yet
Oh, okay.
because we're kind of late to the party there.
You're the one that got me interested.
Well, I'm still interested, but I feel like it's due for a turnaround, and we would enter on it.
Yeah.
You're looking at Johnson and Johnson, right?
Yeah, I was. I quit.
Yeah. If we had gotten in right now, we'd be losing this trade.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and it looked like it was perfect.
Yeah.
It's kind of turning in the
And now I feel like it could be
15
another green candle,
15
maybe.
seconds is turning up pretty good. I mean, there's three little green candles moving up on it, so it's that whole candle had a lot of pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, geez. Yeah. It's hard to know when it gets up to that level because now, yeah, I'm just going to look for some MACD crosses because I can't. We're on a 4th trade.
And
Like-
there's no guarantees that a MACD will win. Sometimes those turn around.
Do you want to just quit?
No, Intel, though. Look at Intel. Look, there was a doji up there, and now a big red candle,
Okay, yeah.
like a turnaround.
Okay.
This
Oh,
could
yeah,
be.
it's getting ready to cross over in a 15-second.
Is it?
Yeah, it's about ready to cross. It's trying to. It wants to. It's probably going down. I've got 3-minute pit on this. I should put it back down to 1 minute. Yeah. I should wait for a confirmation. Maybe. Or
You think it's going to keep going up from here, or do you think you could put it from up here at this high position?
I don't know because it's kind of tried to cross through the red line, but now it's
The MACD is not crossed, but it's like cricking.
right. Well, I think it got through the top red line. I think just let me look. I don't have any confirmation on this.
Don't do anything without,
Yeah, I don't have any confirmation right now. It's trying. To
And
get
this
through-
candle has only got 15 seconds, so we might as well see what it's going to
I
do.
don't think it's going to go down. If it's going to go down, it hasn't showed me yet. It's still like parallel with the first red line. It's tried to get through there and it hasn't. So my gut is, well, my indicators say no on this point. But hold on, if it keeps going down,
Yeah, it's
maybe.
going back up now. I mean, it's kind of staying here, but
My gut feeling is this chart is actually going to go up. But it's just my gut because of the way the indicator, it tried to get through, but it didn't.
stochastic isn't overbought and it's cricking down.
Yeah. So if I can get a confirmation with the 15 seconds and you feel like it's going
Or
down,
it could consolidate right here.
yeah.
That's a possibility too.
Okay, it's crossed back through the first red line. And it could cross through the second. You think it's going down from here? It's going to break this consolidation? It's getting ready to cross through the second red. It's just touching. It's breaking the second red almost. It's just fart.
I can't say for sure because it looks like it could flip up too,
Yeah.
but it could just
Well,
press
watch the
down
MACD. MACD's going to, yeah, there it broke through the.
because
broke
it's still
through
got
the-
some up pressure, dude. It's still pulling up some.
Yeah, it broke through the first red, but then it's cricking up. So hold on. I think if it's going to turn, it might.
It's flipping, flashing red and green here.
Yeah.
In like a doji. It's real small and it's just flashing back and forth. So this is not anything, and now it's pulling up.
Is the MACD gonna cross?
No, not anytime soon, really. I mean, it's
Well, let's just watch it. Because it already went down a good ways. It just now crossed. It's just now crossing. The 15-second candles are now sort of, they have crossed underneath. And they are kind of like struggling to get down. I think we got momentum. If the MACD crosses on this.
okay. Now the MACD is touching, like it's about to cross. Now it looks like there's some momentum that's picked up, but
So if this next candle opens and it crosses, I think we've got the MACD crossing.
well, we've still got 45 seconds on this one, and this one,
Yeah, just it's gonna have to wind up and do it. I'm watching it. It's like
I don't know, but
It's
it's
been
kind of
down.
scaring me because it's been going back and forth. See, now it's green right now.
Yeah, but it's gonna tell us right now. 20 seconds. It's gonna tell us if it's gonna open.
Are you planning to take this if it opens?
You tell me if it opens. Should I take it? I'm underneath now. I'm underneath my white lines, or my red lines.
Well, it keeps
It's gonna
pulling
have
back, so I don't know. It's retracting a bit because
Yes or no on the MACD cross? You tell me.
it's got to be a really good one.
You tell me.
That's
that was
not
pretty
very
weak.
good.
Yeah, it was pretty
That
weak.
was weak. That was real weak.
Yeah, I agree. I still think this could go down. We can watch it. It might open up.
Now, if you would have taken a put from up there at the position I told you to, we would have won by now. But
Did you tell me to take a put?
I told you could, like when that green candle right after the big red one up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like while it was halfway through, I was thinking we could put it there, but
Well, when you say I think you could put a put here, I'm on a fourth trade, so I'm not gonna just randomly hit the button.
well, right.
Now,
I'm still looking around because I want to find something that's actually going to win.
crap. Sometimes these look so good in the 15 second. And I flip over to the 1 minute and look at it. I'm like, that's terrible. All right,
Yeah.
Look at Boeing. Is it going to the white line? Yeah. This next candle could be going to the white line.
Yeah, but I think this candle here, if any, is going to be the one that goes. Now you could, a possibility is to bank on it kicking back off of there. We could take a retraction.
You think it's not gonna? You think this candle's?
I don't know that it's going to break through if it does.
Look at it now. Look at the retraction on that.
It already retracted. It didn't even
That's
hit it.
retarded. That's rejanked, dude. Cisco just broke the white line a couple minutes ago.
Okay. Boeing is still trying to hit that white line.
I don't think it's gonna do it. I think it's gonna do it, but I don't have confirmation other than just my gut feeling, and these gut feelings aren't working tonight.
No.
Cisco, on the other hand, well, it's at a massive line. It's been going up. It's acting janky.
I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole.
Intel, is Intel the one that we kept thinking was going down and it was kept? Were you just looking at Intel, man? Again?
Yeah, we lost on it earlier. Yeah, this is the one we were just at, I think. Now it's kind of consolidating right there.
I don't know if it's going to the white line or not. It doesn't look like it is. It doesn't look
No,
like it's,
are you looking at it in 15 seconds?
no, I'm looking. Yeah, it's just all over the place. But in 1 minute, it just doesn't look like it's going to. It just looks like it's stopping and starting.
It's consolidating massively.
ExxonMobil is in a massive downturn.
Okay, I'm officially done with stocks. I'm moving on to other. Crap, this would have been good. Brent oil would have. In fact, it's like at a line, so it's already ready to turn around. But my 1 minute alligator is just about to cross.
Oh, Netflix is at 52%, dude. We should get in on that one.
50.
Alibaba is at 40. Dude, that's really good.
40%.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. This is like going to turn around now or something. We missed that one.
What, Brent oil?
Yeah. Okay, crude. The MACD just crossed. The alligator just crossed. Dang, that's a big candle. I would not get in on that. But man, we could have won that massively. But there's no way that's not going to pull back some at the next candle. It just crossed through a massive, like consolidation line.
Really? Oh, gold. Okay. That's interesting.
Maybe it's going to keep going. I don't know.
I don't see anything.
Dang, that's a lot of strength in there. Maybe this is going to keep going.
What, crude?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of, I mean, it could. What happened to crude, man? That's crazy looking. That's a big old candle with a big old wick. It double crossed already. That double cross would have been a good win.
Yeah, big one.
Well, consolidating.
Odd NZD. Is this about to drop down?
It looks like, it looks like it might. Let's see. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh, that's about to cross Alligator big time.
Odd NZD?
Yeah, and it's about to MACD cross, too. I mean, if it does, it's just janking back up. But, yeah, it would. Dang, that looked like it.
Think you should take a put from up here for like 2 minutes?
I don't know, man. I don't have any confirmation. I mean, you think it's going down. It's a fourth trade. I mean, it's about ready. Well, it's about ready to go through Alligator. The Alligators are getting ready to do a cross through. So, yeah, I mean, we could do a 2 minute from up here because I think it's moving kind of slow. But the Alligator is about ready to cross over. If you think a 2 minute, I could go for that because it looks like it. It looks like it's going through. I'd want to take it high though, like up here, like right.
But it's also it's gone three red candles before and then just kept going. There were three red candles that preceded that little climb right there.
Just now crossed over. The MACD is about to cross. I mean, I'd have to get it at a high position. It's still got up pressure. I have to get it up here. It's overbought. I mean,
I don't know that you're gonna get much higher.
I guess I would take a 1 minute if the MACD crossed. The MACD is about to cross. If it does, then I mean then you've got all the confirmation you need. If the MACD actually opens, if the MACD opens, we could win it. It's probably going to that white line. This chart's been going up and down and up and down and up and down. It's a good chart for that. So if this MACD opens, you want a 1 or 2 minute.
Well, it might push down. The problem is it might push down really hard during this candle. And then by the time we get in, it could retract. I don't know. I've seen a lot of MACDs do that. So,
yeah, but I've got.
Well, there's 15 seconds.
I mean,
it has to be a really good
open thing. You know?
If it's a really good open, then go for it. You got 4 seconds.
Probably
if there's
1 minute. Oh,
let's see what kind of opening there is.
I don't know, man. That's pretty good,
but there's not a lot of force here.
No, it's not.
I don't know. We probably would have won that 2 minute put though.
Yeah, I mean we might win this one. Just watch this because it did MACD open. It did go underneath.
But look at it; it's just sort of hanging out there at the bottom of that candle.
My problem is it doesn't seem like these charts have been very very like we could probably win it now. In fact, I mean it's crossed pretty good now.
It'll just retract at this point.
You think? I mean it's probably going to that white line, dude.
Yeah, and then it's going to retract right off of it. If it didn't already. See, it's already retracting.
Well, this would have been a win. That MACD did open, and the Alligators did cross, and it is going to the white line.
Okay.
This would have been a win.
Well, why don't you cry about it?
I'm going to cry, dude. I still think it's going to the white line. I still think it's going down there.
You think it's going to go through the white line?
Well, that I don't know. I know it's probably going to it, you know?
I don't know. That might see this candle wicked out too. It seems like it doesn't want to go much further. Like it smells the white line and it doesn't want to get close to it.
To me, it's saying I want to go down there. You know.
I'm going to find a trade we can win.
Well, look, it's going down there right now. Do you think it's going to reject it?
I think it's too late at this point.
Look at that. It's going to touch the white line.
Here's one that, okay, NZDJPY is shooting through the line right now. And in 2 seconds, it's starting another 1 minute candle. And it's retracting.
Well, of course that would retract. That's freaking giant.
Yeah, but it's been retracting like every other candle's been green. You see that? But I don't know how much further it's going to go. The 1 minute alligator is just now about to cross. Yeah, there it goes. Well, it didn't cross, but the candle just is looking like it's starting to go.
Oh yeah, this could go through. I mean, I don't know. That's kind of scary. But if you think it's going down to, if you think it's gonna break out of this, then. Oh yeah, the 1 minute's just crossed, didn't it?
They
You
did.
want to take
Yeah.
this next? You want to take this next put, like a 2 minute? I don't know. Probably would win. I don't know.
There's a line back there at the back of this
Yeah, right.
that scares the crap out of me.
But
It's
it's
a
heading
big.
straight down through the white
There's
line.
like 4. Yeah, I mean.
That would have been a good win too.
Do you want to get in on the next
I don't
one?
know now. Maybe. I mean, I don't know. Do you think it's gonna keep going? It could. Now it's retracting, but yeah. I mean, I don't know.
I think we need something. It would be a guess.
Now it's a guess. I think before it was a better trade. I think. I mean, I should have just taken that. Next time I see a MACD double cross, like everything just opened up, I'm gonna take it. It's a fourth trade. We can lose it if we but we ain't never gonna win it if we don't do it. I feel like we just went into like paranoia mode, dude. Which I mean is good if we're trying to. Like,
Well, we just got to be sure.
yeah, I haven't been sure about much. Well, I should have taken that one. That was an opening. You can't really guess. Like if it opens, it opens. You know. If it opens, it opens. Like most of the MACD crosses are pretty much legit.
Yeah, some of them turn around. It happens.
Well,
I mean,
you can't say that every time you say that. I think
I've got to have. Okay, for me, like you just go strictly by the indicator. I got to have the gut feeling with it. I trust the indicators to some extent, but I got to have the gut feeling too, if that makes sense.
Look at odd NZD and tell me what your gut feeling is on that. I mean, if you're not worried about the indicators that much, just look at odd NZD. Dude, odd NZD is going up. It's about ready to. It bounced off the white line. It's going through the first on the 15-second. It already crossed through one. Now it's getting ready to cross through the second one. If this candle goes up, look at it. Look what it's been doing. It's been going down, hitting that white line, just shooting off of it. Look at it. It's going up. Do you think it's going up for another green candle, though? Oh, it just shot through. It just shot through the 15-second candle.
Okay. Do you want to take it now? If it dips down, look at it in 1 minute. When it dips down a little bit, if it's not retracting all the way,
Well, I mean, do you think there's another green candle? I'm willing to wait till the end.
well, now it's getting kind of
You got
big.
15 seconds. It's not that big. I mean, it's. I say we take it. It went up. I mean, I say we take it in 8 seconds, maybe. Let it dip down there. And just, you want to take it, or you don't have a gut?
Yeah, go ahead. Better hurry.
Well,
Unless you think it's just going to retract, which it kind of is.
Right. Well, it is, and that's why I didn't just do
Yeah.
that. But now we
Well-
probably could. Yeah, because it's.
Well, don't wait for it. Don't lose your position. I mean, if you could have gotten it from way down there, then why not take it when it's down there when you see it about to go back up and get a real good position?
Well, because I was afraid to enter.
Well, that's fine.
I mean, I was afraid to enter on halfway through a candle because I said I wasn't going to do that. But yeah, that would have won.
Well, on the flip side of the position you're going for, it's probably okay.
Yeah, if it like goes down. So it's going up. You think it's going?
I don't know now.
Look, the MACD is about to cross. I mean, it might not be a strong cross, but it's. I mean, it's kind of at a level of. Looks like it's
Because
still.
it's kind of a.
Wait, is the MACD going to cross here?
No, it's not going to cross yet.
Oh,
I mean, if this dips down, then you could take it, if you think it's still going to go up. But I wouldn't. You don't want to enter in the middle of a candle when it's already green and you're making a call.
Oh, right. Yeah.
But if you're sure that it's going up, like right now it's dipped red, you could take it there if you think it's still going up.
I think I did. Did I take it?
You did.
How's your gut feel now?
Come on, go up. Go up.
How's your gut feel?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask me in a minute when we've won. Ask me in a minute after we've won.
Look
this.
at the blue line, dude. It's getting ready to frank through that yellow line, dude. It's getting ready to just tank through that yellow line. I mean, I don't know why my dad's account didn't take that trade.
Did it?
Well, it probably just didn't. Yeah, I don't know.
I've seen some that don't show that they do, but they do.
And this does not look good, bro.
Crap. Are you freaking serious? Come on. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Oh, come on. Lord, give us a win. We need a win. We need a win. We need a win. We just need a win. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Oh my gosh. Oh, are you freaking serious? If you would have taken that when it was down there before, the last one, I wasn't sure about
dude.
this one. It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
It is my fault, dude. It is my fault. 54.70.
That's the next trade.
It's not really my fault, but I mean, yeah. I mean, I was ready to take this one way down here. I was like, I think this is going up. We're out of whack, dude. We're being way too careful. I mean,
no, but I mean, we needed to.
I mean, those lines crossed. That was going up. I mean, I'm pretty sure that was going up. I was really sure it was going up all that time, and we just kind of waited around, and it freaking kicked our butts.
Look at Euro RUB.
We're on a 5th trade, bro.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I don't think we should rush into it, but I think if we get the feel for it, we should just take it. Oh, like the MACD cross on Brent oil right now, dude. You got 40 seconds. I'm going to check it in my 15. Oh, yeah. It's already crossed over. It's kind of weird. Is the Brent oil going to... No, I don't know.
It's at a lot. Like, this is a big area of consolidation. So it's hard to say. It could break out of this.
Look at the MACD. Is the MACD... Well, the MACD kind of already did double cross. Yeah. This is too dangerous. Because the MACD kind of already... Well, what's your gut feeling on that? I don't know.
Well,
it's kind of in a line.
like it looks good, but it's a big line. There's a wick up there.
Right.
And it's like it's shying away from it. When it hits that level, it's backing down. So it could shoot through it.
That was a nice double cross, though. That would have won, too. Dang it.
But every time it hits that level, it drops.
Yeah, it wants to. It's got a little this one's got some volatility in this. Well, it might have won. It looks like it's still wanting to. So we need a double cross. It's real.
Okay. Look at... Okay, dude, go to silver right now.
Mm-hmm.
You just take the next candle on that if you think it's going to go down.
I don't know. That's just a thought, dude. Are you crazy?
Well, it's a waterfall. I mean...
Well, the 1 minute's just crossed. So
take it. You got 2 seconds.
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, oh, dang it. Why do you get such a low position? That scares the crap out of me. Because now if it needs to like push down hard or else...
You told me to take it. And I
Well,
was
yes,
kinda
while it was...
on the wrong screen, kind of.
Yeah,
and I was like really doubting it, but I hope this wins. I was just having doubts for a second there.
Well, if you have doubts, then don't take it.
Well, you told me to take it. I was like, okay, bro.
Yes, but there's 2 of us here. If you have a doubt, don't
Oh,
take it.
crap. See, that's bad.
That's why if you have a doubt, you don't take it.
Well, I did, and I was thinking, and then I was like, well, okay. That is a bad loss. All right, dude, seriously. That was I should have listened to my gut there, too.
But yeah, always listen to your gut. Yes, that's why there are... Oh, my gosh. Okay. Folks, we're ending the live stream.
We're out tonight. We're getting our nuts crushed.
We're done.
We're getting our nuts crushed. We'll be back next week.